In the ever-evolving landscape of smartphones, Google has consistently aimed to push the boundaries of innovation and redefine the user experience. Their latest offering, the Pixel 8 Pro, is a testament to their commitment to creating a device that not only meets the needs of today's users but also anticipates the demands of the future. With cutting-edge AI integration, remarkable camera capabilities, and a promise of long-term software support, the Pixel 8 Pro stands as a symbol of technological excellence. Designed for the discerning. The first impression of any smartphone often begins with its design, and the Pixel 8 Pro does not disappoint. Google has invested in creating a device that is not only technologically advanced but also aesthetically pleasing. With its softer silhouettes, beautiful metal finishes, and the use of recycled materials, the Pixel 8 Pro stands out. The device offers a polished look made for everyday use. The Pixel 8, with its contoured edges and smaller size compared to its predecessor, the Pixel 7, is designed to feel great in your hand. The 6.2-inch Actua display offers real-world clarity and is 42% brighter than the Pixel 7's display, ensuring a visually immersive experience. Moreover, the Pixel 8 is available in 3 elegant colors: rose, hazel, and obsidian. Stepping up to the Pixel 8 Pro, users are greeted with a 6.7-inch Super Actua display that boasts Google's brightest display yet. This ensures that even in direct sunlight, the display remains true to life, enhancing the viewing experience for everything from photos to videos. The device's matte glass back with a polished aluminum frame and a choice of 3 colors, porcelain, bay, and obsidian, further exemplify Google's attention to detail. Revolutionary camera capabilities. The Pixel 8 Pro's camera system is nothing short of revolutionary, redefining the standards for smartphone photography and videography. Google has left no stone unturned in delivering a comprehensive upgrade that takes visual capture to the next level. The main camera on the Pixel 8 Pro is optimized to excel in challenging low-light conditions, ensuring that your photos and videos turn out brilliantly even in the dark. The larger ultra-wide lens introduces an improved macro focus, allowing for stunning close-up shots. The telephoto lens takes a giant leap forward by capturing 56% more light, delivering optical quality photos at a remarkable 10x zoom range. Selfie enthusiasts will appreciate the autofocus feature on the front-facing camera, guaranteeing top-notch self-portraits. Google's innovation doesn't stop at hardware improvements. They've introduced groundbreaking software features that truly set the Pixel 8 Pro apart. Best Take 1 tackles the common issue of group photos where someone isn't looking at the camera. This feature utilizes on-device algorithms to seamlessly blend a series of photos into one, ensuring that everyone looks their best. Moreover, the Magic Editor in Google Photos is an experimental tool powered by generative AI, allowing you to reposition and resize subjects or make the background pop with presets, all with just a few taps. But it doesn't end there. The Audio Magic Eraser One is a standout addition, enabling users to effortlessly reduce unwanted sounds in their videos, such as wind noise or noisy crowds. Advanced machine learning models sort sounds into distinct layers, giving you control over sound levels. AI-powered assistants. In the era of artificial intelligence, Google has gone all in on incorporating AI into the Pixel 8 Pro to make it more intuitive and user-friendly. The device offers features designed to save time and enhance productivity. The Summarize feature allows the Pixel 8 Pro to generate a summary of web pages, making it easier for users to quickly grasp the key points of an article or document. Additionally, the device can read aloud and translate web pages, allowing users to consume content on the go. Google has also made significant strides in improving the device's ability to understand human speech. The Pixel 8 Pro can now interpret natural language better, allowing for more intuitive interactions. Call Screen, another AI-powered feature, now helps users filter out spam calls more effectively. It can silently answer calls from unknown numbers with a natural-sounding voice and is smart enough to distinguish between wanted and unwanted calls. Soon, Call Screen will even suggest contextual replies for simple calls, saving users time and hassle. Security and long-term support. Security is a top priority for Google, and the Pixel 8 Pro is equipped with the Titan M2 security chip to protect personal information and withstand sophisticated attacks. Face Unlock on the Pixel 8 meets the highest Android biometric class, making it compatible with banking and payment apps like Google Wallet. One of the standout features of the Pixel 8 Pro is Google's commitment to providing extended software support. For the first time, Google is promising 7 years of software support for both the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro. This includes OS upgrades, security updates, and regular feature drops. This extended support ensures that users can continue to enjoy the latest features and security enhancements for a significantly longer period, making the Pixel 8 Pro a worthy investment. Availability and pricing. The Pixel 8 Pro is available for pre-order, with prices starting at $999. Those who pre-order the Pixel 8 Pro will receive a Pixel Watch 2 as a bonus. Furthermore, the new Pixel phones are available through Google Fi Wireless, offering competitive deals and flexible, secure phone plans that include full connectivity for the Pixel Watch 2 at no additional cost. Both devices, along with a range of cases from Google and their partners, will be available at the Google Store and retail partners starting October 12th. The Pixel 8 Pro is a remarkable addition to Google's smartphone lineup. It represents the epitome of technological advancement, with its AI-powered features, cutting-edge camera capabilities, and a promise of long-term software support. Google's commitment to creating a device that not only meets but exceeds user expectations is evident in every aspect of the Pixel 8 Pro. For those seeking a smartphone that not only keeps up with the times but sets new standards, the Pixel 8 Pro is the answer. Click here to watch Samsung Watch 5 versus Garmin Vivo Active 4. Which one is your favorite? If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe for more videos on interesting topics like this.